If you want to diagnose better the interproximal cavities, you have an option in your iTero intraoral scanner that is so cool for that. So before start to scan, click in the settings option, go to the X-ray setting and confirm that the NIRI capture is turned on. Then open your patient and start to use this option. So after confirming that the NIRI option capture is turned on or is enabled, just open your patient, click in viewer and select the icon with the molar and the magnifying glass. When you click there, in the right side of your image is going to appear a big circle that you can move over the interproximal area that you want to analyze. When you put that circle there is going to appear two new images. The upper one is the NIRI option, so you can see in detail the difference between the enamel and dentin. And if you want to see it better, you have the option to zoom in, and also in this small arrow there, you can modify the bright and also the opacity. So go around all your patient, upper or lower, and diagnose the interproximal cavities better than ever. If you want to know more about this option and more, click in the link below.